Let's do this. Come on. Let's do this. Good Lord, sweetie. You won't even fit in the freaking frame.
I got one, y'all. Oh no, it came off. Dang it. Well, that's a fish. I've literally got so many pants on I can't pick up my leg. I'm warm though. I'm thinking I might get a bunch of bites in these trees over here. That's what I'm hoping anyway, because that was really fun to catch them like that last time I was here. It's like cast after cast. Oh, golly. I'm gonna take it again. Oh, that's a pretty fish, y'all. Beautiful. He's beautiful. Ooh. Oh my goodness, you are so pretty. I'm trying. Hold on. Wow. Wow, look at that. Look at that fish, y'all. Beautiful. That just made the whole trip worth it right there. Say he wanted that lizard, y'all. Check that out. They're eating crawls too. Cool. Oh god, I'm already on the fall. It might be a little bit bigger, y'all. His head's shaking like crazy. That is nice. Nice fish. Nice fish. Nice fish. Let's freaking go. Today is gonna be an awesome day. Holy cow. Check that one out, y'all. See you later. Alright. Big worm as a go. Okay. Feed you to the otter. gotta catch a big one. I gotta catch a big one. I ain't got time for y'all and y'all's head shaking little self. Thank you, though. I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm feeling head shaking on the bottom, basically. Here, buddy. I'm gonna put you back. You no needing all that fighting. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. I didn't think it was that big. Crap. Okay, yeah, I didn't think it was that big. Didn't think it was that big. Come on. That's a chunky one. That's a chunky one right there. Take that one out, y'all. Solid fish. Getting bigger, y'all. They're getting bigger. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. That was awesome, guys. That was awesome. Well, I got a jigfish. Thank you. Thank you, buddy. Alright, quit that. Can't see. That was nice. Check that out. Jigfish. I'll never know. I will know. Oh, it was small. Oh, poop. Quit. 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 Thank you for the bite, though. I mean, you inhaled. The jig's bigger than you are, buddy. Appreciate you, though. Thank you. There's a big one in the street. I love this black and white fish, y'all. Alright, now dang. Quit all that. You see, this one don't have that lateral line. He's fat. Thank you, buddy. You've been eating good. It's fun to see all the different patterns on the bass. on this other color I made too. Damn, man, I couldn't even close it. Huh? Got one on this Georgia Slayer color that we made out on the little mini brush hog. It's pretty cool. Dang. Dang. That's a nice fish. You just kind of see the silhouette. Oh, that's a nice fish. Nice fish. Don't screw it up, Hannah. Don't screw it up. Don't screw it. Please don't screw it up. Come on. Come on. I don't give a crap about the rod. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Wow. Wow. What a way. What a way to end the day. Oh my goodness. Got zeros. Is that how you lock the 6-3, y'all? 6-3. It gets no better than this. Alright, buddy. Let me take this scale off over here. Okay. Now, figure out how I'm gonna release her. Okay, y'all. Alright, guys. We're gonna release her. Let her go back to the depths. There she goes. Water's really cold. To me. See? That's what I get for playing. Well, we're not going home anymore. That was like a 4. Wasn't that big? Alright, now stop. These fish are so pretty. Check that one out. Just lost like a 4. Ooh. Ooh, and y'all, and I just hooked a giant. 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 Holy crap. Oh, did it come off? would just have liked to have seen how big that was, because he literally was in that brush pile, took straight off to deep water. Just like beelined it for the deep water. Couldn't even. Ooh, heck yeah. Redemption. It's not that big, but redemption. Come on. God. Even the squirrels are laughing at me. You better be quiet, you squirrel.